Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy Steam games with the Cash app. So if you want to buy it, it's really easy. So first of all, let's say that this is a game which I want to buy here. Let's talk about this one, right? And let's take this one, right? It's around 1500. So I will just go and click on this, right? Automatically I will just get into the page here. Now I can just click on add to cart and I will just go and click on view my cart. Now here, once you have added, just go and click on continue shopping here, right? And you can just add more games. If you're okay with it, then just go and click on cart, right? And here, go and click on continue to payment, right? So once you just go and click on continue payment, you will get this all these various methods from which you can just buy this game here. And here you will get this option of net banking, or for example that you have a cash wallet, so you can just go and select prepaid wallet, and automatically you have to fill up all this billing information, and here you can just buy with the cash app. For example, you can see that Steam accept this kind of payments. There's a no any option of cash app, so you can use a gift card, right? So they always have an option to buy the game with a gift card. You can just go and buy with a gift card or Steam gift card with your cash app money, and then you can use it to buy the Steam games here, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.